How to open Google Chrome settings. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open the settings within the Google Chrome browser. And then once we get into the settings, I'll walk through some of the most important settings that you can change to customize and also fix issues in Google Chrome. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to open up the settings in Google Chrome, it's very easy. Just go up into the top right and you'll see three little dots. Select the three dots. And then in the menu that appears, go down and select Settings. Once the settings are open, in the left menu here, you'll see several different options. And first, under You and Google, this is where you can turn on syncing between Google Chrome and your Google account. So this is where you can sync your browsing history, your bookmarks, everything like that with your Google account, maybe say your Android phone, something like that. So you can turn that on over here or turn it off, and you can sync that by selecting Sync and Google Services. Over here in the left menu, we also have autofill and passwords. And if I select that, I can go into my Google Password Manager. And this is where I can see all the passwords that I've saved in Google Chrome or on Google. So you can change those, delete things, see them if you want to. Additionally, you can go down to payment methods to remove or add a credit card for ease of access for autofill when you're going to buy something online. You can also view the addresses that have been saved and change those or delete them. Now, if we go back to the left menu, we can go to Privacy and Security, and this is where you can perform a safety check. If you notice anything strange within Google Chrome, it'll take you through some steps where you can update passwords, things like that. You can also delete your Google Chrome browsing history by going to Delete Browser Data. Once you select it, you can choose what to delete, the time range. If you want to delete everything, select all time, and then you can delete the data right there to delete your Google Chrome browsing history. Additionally, over here in the left menu, I recommend going to Appearance, and this is where you can change first the home page of your Google Chrome browser. So if you don't want it to be google.com, maybe you want it to be another website, you can change that. You can also have the bookmark bar shown at the top for ease of access to your bookmarks. When you scroll down a little bit, you can change the font size in Google Chrome if you wanted to make it a little larger, and you can also change the page zoom. If you want to change the theme, so this is the look of Google Chrome, you just go to Theme and you can change it there. Now, the next thing I recommend going to is Search Engine, and this is where you can change the default search engine for the Google Chrome browser. And this is if you search up here in the search box. So if I select Change, I can choose not just between Google, but it can be Microsoft Bing, DuckDuckGo, which is a privacy-oriented search engine. I like them. So you can pick a new search engine if you want to, and then select Set as Default. Now, the last thing over here I would recommend is language, and this is where you can choose the language that'll be displayed in Google Chrome if you want to have maybe a second language, and then you can also ensure that the basic spell check is turned on, and you can do enhanced spell check if you'd like to as well. All right, so those were some of the main settings within the Google Chrome settings. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.